Hi guys, this is Bukomi Gabriel and it's my sister's birthday. It took us like 30 minutes to get her to say hi to the camera, but then we could not even do that. So I finally styled the wig. I have a video of how this wig is being prepped on my channel, so you might have to check it out. And I'll be using this extension from Lush. It was shared in one hangout that was organized by them, so I decided to use it in this video. And of course, I'll be creating like a fishtail sort of pattern. I would be dropping a link also on how fishtail is being done, because if I should show you how fishtail is being done in this video, we will not leave here. So I'll just drop a link, of course not my video, someone else's video that can help. So I added the bun, and for those of you who bought my classes, you already understood how bun is being formed. I mean, different shapes of bun, and how to create extensions, how to prep your hair, and everything in the world you need to know about hair. So right now I'll just start styling. Of course I'll be using my extension, the usual one I use. So I'll just be showing you how to create something extra, because this video is basically for a birthday, so I just decided to film it for YouTube. And she's wearing like an African traditional sort of dress to depict, so we need to create a particular hair that will fit into that. So I thought of doing something really different from the usual bridal thing I do. So you guys should just stay tuned and see what the outcome looks like. And of course I'm using my extension, and this is like 3 different extensions right now. This is Lush attachment, this is a wig, then a kinky extension, which sort of blend in with the attachment, but the wig looks a bit lighter, and that is not a problem, because of course camera will do justice, and editing would perfect everything. But of course the hair has to be like very perfect, not like wishy-washy, you get it. So you just stay tuned and see what the outcome looks like. Right now you see that there's like an opening underneath the hair, and I can't be adding more extensions because it will just make the hair unnecessarily bulky. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just using pin to secure that part and pushing some extension into that part. Instead of adding extra extension, I can just still use the extension there, but I just have to use my pin to draw it closer to make it covered. I hope you get that. So there's one major thing about this styling, or any form of styling. The shape you want to create has to be there. Just like the way I created the shape of the bun already, because I have something in mind. So having to put my extension and it's not really giving me what I want is a big deal. so I have to like press, pin, remove the pin, and see where it needs to be done. I mean, everything has to be covered and form the shape that I already created. So if it's not giving you what you have in mind, it is an error case, as you get. So you really just want to make sure it gives you what you are planning or what you're envisioning. So of course I'm trimming off from the excess hair. It doesn't go off like totally, because except you use spray, and I don't use spray, so you just keep watching and see what the result looks like the more. Alright, I know I did this off camera, but then I'm gonna show you how I did that. So I just of course I already pinned it initially off it, and I'm removing it now, so you see how that is being done. This the fishtail attachment can come in different formats. It can be here or there, so depending on the face of the person. For her, if when I put it at the front, it's made her face a bit bold and not as slim as what it looks like. Of course she has put on weight, but then I don't have to make her face more chubby, so I decided to shift it a bit to the back so that I can get her face slim up again. That's a logic, a technique, or whatever for you. You want to work with your client's face. The aim is to make the person look cheeky, not extra or excess or bold or something, you get, depending on the look you are creating though. So right now you can see me using the curler, and I have to like remove like 2-3 times just to get what I really desire, because I noticed that when I was curling in, because the waveform wasn't long enough, I mean the droppers I brought out wasn't long enough, it was changing directions. Do you get? Unlike this long one, I could just roll it anyway and it would just drop the way I wanted it. You get it? So I'll be doing the same to the other side, and she'll be changing her dress, and you all will see what the outcome looks like. Hey, do you like what you see? Tell me what you feel at the comment section. Tell me your thoughts. And this is one of our dress, and we have other ones, and see what the pictures look like. Yeah, this is our first outfit. I really love this look because the hair was just so perfect for it, and I did this dress. It's just a normal material, but it's into this. So guys, this is our second look. It looks really beautiful as well, and of course the hair. So this is what the hair looks like afterwards, and a beautiful face. And also we had like a third look which we just worked out, an afro wig. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.